I didn't want to risk damaging her shit, so I ended up dropping dollies out on the side of 10 at 99th Avenue.
Stick around when we hold it down. Look at what we found. Fuck what they was talking about.
What up, G? This morning started a little different. Toyota Camry with a rear flat. How's it going?
This bad boy right here.
All right, do you have the lug nut key for those?
I sure do.
Perfect. All right, pop your trunk. Let me check your spare before we start working on it.
Beware, I have a little bit of a mess. So let me help you out.
Ain't no way to wake up than being out on the side of the freeway trying to change a tire. Might have to grab it from the corner. That might be the easiest.
Okay.
Okay. All right, I gotta put air in this.
Okay.
All right, when we put this on, you gotta get off the freeway because you can't travel on this on the freeway.
Right.
Do me a favor and set your parking brake for me. Took my impact gun to that thing and it just would not bust them things loose at all. It's like if I kept messing with it, I was just gonna end up damaging and breaking the stems. The lug nuts are frozen on there. But you know, there's a lesson to be learned here.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, there is a certain amount of torque that is required in order to keep your lug nuts nice and tight.
I recently had to change that one as well. It did take us a while.
Over torquing your lug nuts does not make things better. In fact, that can make things worse. Took a manual 4-way to it, a start wrench, whatever you call it, same thing. Yeah, nope. That's gonna break it. So you go to a tire shop, man, and they're buzzing your lug nuts on, and you hear it going, that's enough. I didn't want to risk damaging her shit, so that's why I went ahead and decided to just drop the dollies and tow the car over here to the shop. Got it hooked up, delivered out here, dropped off. Best decision to make for this situation. Don't over torque your lug nuts. It's not necessary. Not whatsoever.